Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So you people have seen the caption. Today again we are gonna work on if function. So this time we are gonna find largest, second largest and smallest of three numbers. To do so we would need three numbers. So I'm taking three variables to represent those three numbers. Here I'm gonna take A, B and C. Initially you need to assign those numbers to this variable. So first we have to declare them in Python. If we just in Python we don't need to explicitly declare them, it will be declared implicitly, which means you just need to mention the variables, so A, B and C, specifying the type of the variable, that is integer, and using the function input take a user input. So first we'll assume that our variable A is the biggest value, so I'll assign A to big. Now I'll compare the big value A with next two values, that is B and C. So using the if function I'll check if B is bigger than big. If it is bigger than big and our big value is A, if this condition satisfy, our B will be big. And again we'll check with C if C is bigger than big. If so, we'll assign big to C. Similarly, to find the smallest value, first we'll take a variable small, assign A to small, which means we'll assume that A is our smallest value. Now we'll check A with B and C if A is smaller than B and C. So we'll use a condition if in if function we'll use a condition B less than small. That means we are checking if B is less than small. If this condition is satisfied, we'll assign B to be small. So this is how we assign small equal to B. Next we are going to check if C is less than small. If this condition is satisfied, then we'll assign small to be C. Similarly, now we are going to find the second largest. I'm using a variable SL to be the second largest value. So I'm using very simple formula, that is first I'll add all my three values, that are A plus B plus C. From them, from the above equations, I've got the big value and the small value. So from all the three numbers, if I remove big and the small value, the remaining value will be our second largest value. So from this equation we'll get the second largest value. Now we'll just print them. For printing we use the function print, and first let me print big followed by small and second largest. So for printing in double quotes I'll assign big equal to. So whatever is in double quotes will be printed same as it is, then followed by a comma. If I mention big, the value of big will be printed. From above equations where I have solved for big, whatever is the biggest value of the three, big will be printed. Now for small, I'll mention using the print function, I'll quote small in double quotes so that I get exactly the same thing outside. Whatever is in double quotes will be printed exactly the same way, and with a comma small means it will give me the smallest value. It will give the variable small. I have declared small variable early, so I'll get the output of small. And to print second largest value, I'll use SL in the same format. So this is how we print second as a big largest, smallest and the second largest one. Let's see the output now. Enter A. So as I mentioned, A, B and C are my variables, so I'll take three values, 12, 123 and 212, and the biggest value is 212, smallest 12 and second largest 123. So that was so simple. Thank you guys, hope you understand.